All right, y'all. Hey. It is me, Michelle, from Michelle's Home. I am on my way out, and I got on the viral TikTok pants, and I am loving these. I definitely need to get me more colors. I have the army green ones on in a 3X. I have my little straw bag, white slides, and my tank, and I'm wearing my green shades with my baby girl necklace she got me, and my dupes. But yeah, I'm on my way out, and I'm feeling comfy. Did a little yard work, went to sleep, did a little yard work. Now I'm about to go to this car dealer place and see what's up. But yeah. Alright, y'all, we are on our way. Get on this expressway. What time is it? 3:47. Let's hope. Turn a little air on because I'm a little warm. But y'all, I'm feeling good. Tired a little bit. Like I said, I did some yard work. I gotta learn how to introduce my week and exit my week vlog. I know how to do it. I just be forgetting. But we are on our way. And yeah. Alright, y'all, we are here at Audie's, seeing what they got. Oh, this is what I got. How much is there? $50. I don't think I paid $50 for mine. Oh, look. These are cute. Kira. These are cute. I'm not going to get it because I want that water thing. Here, I'm going to get some tomatoes. You want Grace? No? We out here trying to get some grass seeds, y'all. Let's pray we don't have to pay for no. Okay, here go 30. That's better. I think we're going to get this one, I think. How much is this? Ooh, no. That's $88. My goodness. This stuff is expensive. Scots, you know? I said I'm only saying that because it's Scots. How much is the bag on here? 3 pounds, and this is 5 pounds. Combination grass seeds and fertilizer. Okay, take that back over there. Okay, we getting this and the weed and feed. Now let's go get us. So that's 30 plus 15, $45. Okay, let's see how much they dirty is and get up out of here. Here, you push it, huh? Oh, I'm sorry, baby.
I'm gonna bring you to some soil that is good for grass now.
Okay, okay. Which one is it? Oh, okay. All
This
right.
stuff right here, it already have seed in there. It have pea mosses out there, and it have extracted organic stuff inside there as well. So this
Okay.
is for lawn and
It
garden
got
conditions.
seeds in it,
Yes.
but I do need grass seed because it's boiled.
So like, I tell you right now for sure, Miss Lady, it got organic stuff inside there, and it got spaghetti pea moss inside there. So pea moss is something that holds the seed and it holds
Okay.
the fertilizer down as well.
Okay, well, give me 4 bags.
All right.
Yeah. This self-checkout. Oh,
Don't get no dog. That's nasty.
those are nasty. Well, what we gonna get?
Lemonade. I don't know, Mama.
We are back at one of my favorite stores. Look at this bag, a football bag. Yes. I like them rubber ones, Kara. That is cute. You see these? I love these for the beach.
I wouldn't mind getting one of these either, but I don't know what color. This color is cute. How much is this? $70.
It ain't worth no damn $70. They ought to cut it out. Look good. I can't, well, I should have known the cart was going to be gone. That's,
Is he still here?
my Nomi. It ain't here, of course. It's gone. That's okay. I do want a wind chime, though. Oh, here they go. Oh, they so cute. I like this birdhouse. I like this one.
Ooh, I think they all look pretty.
They are. I just want.
Yeah,
Granny used to have a wind chime.
Is that the one you used to have when we first moved there?
Yeah, it broke. I sure hate it. Ooh, these only $15. I gotta find a cute one. Without, I don't want all these colors though. Dang. Oh, those are nice. I like the Adirondack chairs right here.
Oh, these.
All right, y'all, we finna do our haul. Let me put y'all up high. Okay, that's a good view. That's a good view. All right, let's get started. I didn't get that much. I didn't get that much. So, we got the perfect pairing, the red and the green grapes. We got some cherry tomatoes as well as strawberries. We got blackberries and blueberries. Some Greek yogurt, a 4-pack. My baby got her some fruit snacks, of course. Some dumplings. Oh, I didn't see when you got these. Yeah. We got some dumplings. I got a thing of lactose milk, fruit punch juice, and pineapple. Ooh, this pineapple is gonna be so good. She got her some chicken egg rolls to go with that. We got a bag of apples, her Nutella for her croissants, salsa. That's gonna be good with both. And we got some multi-grain tortilla chips, gluten-free, and a yellow tortilla. We got a bag of baby cucumbers. And we got us some raisin bread, raisin cinnamon bread. I got 3 packs of the organic ground beef, 3 packs. And we got us some smoked bratwurst, 2 packs of those because I'm grilling. Probably Monday or Tuesday. 2 dozen of eggs. I got some chicken and turkey. Yeah, chicken and turkey. Also got some hot dog buns for the burgers. Hot dog buns and burger buns for the burgers and the rocks. We got some honey wheat bread and some white bread. My baby got her one of these. She got 2. The way she eat them. I got 2 bags of California medley and 2 bags of broccoli florets. Some sandwich tomatoes, chip ahoy cookies, and 2 things of water. And let me show you what I got from TJ. Is that my bag? Okay. Let me show y'all what I got from TJ Maxx and Home Goods. We're gonna do TJ first. I got me this, y'all. This right here gonna be so pretty on that couch. Y'all hear me? Do you hear me? This going on the couch. Not today, but it's going on there. And then I got, that's from TJ. And I got my coconut body wash. And I got some sand and fall. What is this for my skin? Body oil, body serum, hyaluronic, whatever. I I can't even pronounce it. And I got this for my hair. Silk Therapy, natural coconut. You can see I'm going coconut. Okay. Let's see. And then from Home Goods, I got this candle. It is cherry blossom to go with the throat. Whole little vibe going on. Whole little vibe. All right, y'all. They getting done. Y'all already know I gotta put some butter on it. All right, y'all. That is the yams, the hot water cornbread. I'm almost done, so I can go start this grill because I'm sweating. I need some air. Okay, let me I need some air. I do got a little juice that's like can't throw it away. Like can't throw it away because my bowl ain't big enough for it. But we're gonna keep it because it got all the good stuff in there. Put this in here so I can wash it. I'm so hot, I don't know what to do. Whew. All right. Almost done, y'all. All right, y'all. So, food, most of it is done. The ribs are done. The yams, hot water cornbread, some chicken breast, and these beans. These beans, y'all. Look at these. Look at them. Listen. These neck bones are tender. Okay. And I did taste some. I'm not going to make no plate because I am tired. But I am about to cut these ribs up and let my babies eat. Still got wings on the grill, some steak, and I don't know if he cooked the hot dogs yet. Not yet. Rocks. I don't know if he's gonna cook them. I'm tired. I'm not cooking nothing else. But I am going to cut these up. They are so good. All right, y'all, let me cut these up. I'll be back.